Welcome to Abby's introduction to AI ethics. In earlier lessons, we've seen how AI transforms our world, but as AI's impact grows, so does our responsibility to use it ethically. Today, we'll explore the meaning and importance of AI ethics and introduce key principles guiding ethical AI. AI ethics is a branch of philosophy that focuses on the moral questions surrounding artificial intelligence. It helps us consider how AI should be developed and used responsibly, respecting human rights and promoting fairness. If AI isn't designed and used ethically, it can cause harm, like invading privacy, causing discrimination, or reducing personal autonomy. Ethical principles play a crucial role in guiding how AI shapes society. When AI is designed responsibly, it can drive positive change, from improving healthcare to creating more personalized learning experiences. However, AI can also have negative effects if not carefully managed. For example, a facial recognition system trained on limited or unbalanced data might perform well for some groups but misidentify others, reflecting bias in the underlying data. Or, do you remember that Amazon example covered in the Importance of Data lesson? There you learned how an AI hiring tool could unfairly favor some groups if it's based on biased data. AI systems should be as open and understandable as possible. For instance, if an AI algorithm is used to approve or deny a loan, it should be clear to users why that decision was made. However, transparency in AI can be challenging since many algorithms are highly complex and difficult to explain in simple terms. And since AI algorithms may eventually become so complex that no human mind can fully trace or understand their logic, it's essential to build mechanisms for transparency and accountability from the very beginning. At the same time, it's important to recognize that AI may not be suitable for every task. In some situations, especially those involving significant impacts on human lives, AI should serve as an augmenting tool to support human judgment rather than making final decisions on its own. Some decisions are best left to humans, with AI providing insights, analysis, or recommendations to enhance the decision-making process. Companies that develop and deploy AI must also take responsibility for its outcomes. If an AI system causes harm, those responsible for its creation and implementation should be held accountable. This ensures that AI use is aligned with ethical standards and legal requirements. AI also should operate without bias, ensuring that all users are treated equally. Bias in AI can have serious consequences as seen in facial recognition technologies that sometimes perform better on certain demographics. To promote fairness, developers need to identify and reduce biases in both the data and the algorithms. Respecting user privacy is a key part of ethical AI. Many AI systems collect sensitive data, so protecting that information appropriately is critical. For example, video-enabled doorbells stream footage to the cloud, which can reveal when someone is home or away. In 2019, security researchers discovered a flaw in Ring doorbells that allowed hackers to gain unauthorized access to home security video feeds. Access to this footage could allow criminals to infer when a house is unoccupied, increasing the risk of burglary. As AI advances, we must continually adapt how we apply ethical principles to its development and use. By doing so, we can help ensure that AI serves society fairly, responsibly, and transparently.